Hello and welcome to another knowledge-packed video. I'm Ryan Chan, your guide for today's discussion on operation and maintenance manuals. In today's video, we'll unveil what these comprehensive documents are, why they are crucial for your company regardless of its size, and how to create one effectively. We'll also explore different sections of such manuals and give you some handy tips to make your manual practical and user-friendly. So if you're part of a maintenance or operations team and are keen on boosting efficiency and consistency in your work, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. Let's talk about operation and maintenance manuals. These are comprehensive documents that provide all the necessary details about a physical plant and individual pieces of equipment to help maintenance staff keep everything running smoothly. As soon as a company gets large enough to have some standard operating procedures and requires different team members to be responsible for separate tasks, it could benefit from an operations and maintenance manual. For small companies, this may be brief, but the advantage of starting early is that you won't have to invest a lot of time up front, and you'll have a core to build on as you add operating procedures in the future. For medium and larger size companies, an operations and maintenance manual is even more critical. Inefficiency multiplies quickly as a company grows. Every time an employee needs to perform a new task, there might be mini training happening over and over. Without a manual, you can lose the consistency of work. Different employees can complete the same job in inconsistent ways. And a lack of documented procedures can result in workplace errors, accidents, or injuries that can cost the company a significant amount of money. So what goes into an operation and maintenance manual? There are several common parts. First, an overview. This section provides a general overview of the physical plant being discussed, as well as the components covered in the manual. It includes personnel information, organizational charts, company history, or other background information. Next, the physical building section. This part details important information about one specific facility. Ideally, this information is collected during the construction of the facility itself and contains floor plans, building materials, finished data, building code and specification information, and site survey. Then we have operating procedures. A comprehensive, detailed explanation of all major operating procedures should be documented so that a new employee can learn quickly and a seasoned technician can double-check work. The maintenance procedures section is next. The preventive and corrective maintenance program should be explained thoroughly, including schedules, procedures, responsibilities, troubleshooting, and test requirements. Lastly, we have emergency procedures. It's important to think through emergency situations before they happen because it can be difficult to remember details in the middle of a chaotic situation. This section outlines all the people, steps, agencies, and other organizations that need to be notified, as well as a primer on how to handle crisis communications internally and externally. Now let's talk about how to create an operation and maintenance manual. The challenge is to make it comprehensive without being boring. Here are 4 important best practices. First, select a platform. With today's technology, you should be able to find a platform that allows you to continue to update and change your operation and maintenance manual as needed. Second, create a consistent, easy-to-read layout. You want your manual to be easy to scan, and you want your employees to be able to locate needed sections quickly. Third, involve managers in manual development. Be sure to ask your frontline managers for input when actually creating the guts of your operation and maintenance manual. And lastly, encourage suggestions and improvement. Be sure to solicit feedback, especially in the early days of manual usage. If you're looking for a starting point, you can download one of many operation and maintenance manual templates. Consider the Raptor template, the electrical template, or the construction template. In conclusion, operation and maintenance manuals can be a valuable resource for your whole maintenance team. Invest the time in putting one together if your organization does not already have one. Remember that you can upload it to your maintenance software program for easier access. And that wraps up today's video. We've covered the importance of operation and maintenance manuals, their components, and how to create one effectively. We hope this video has been useful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to visit upkeep.com to learn more about how we can help you streamline your maintenance and operations. We appreciate your time, and thank you for watching.